Hello friends, today I'll discuss the quick selection tool and magic wand tool in Adobe Photoshop. I'm coming back after the intro. To edit any part of a picture, we'll have to select that part. So selection tools are essential in Adobe Photoshop. First I will use the quick selection tool. Here are some properties of the tool. Now I will select this tire of the car. Just click and move the cursor. But the tire is not selected perfectly through the edge. For correction there are two options. Add to selection and subtract from selection. By default, add to selection is active. If we press Alt button and hold, we will see the subtract sign. By this, we can decrease the selected area. Now this tire is selected perfectly through the edge. We can change any properties of the selected area. Now I will use Magic Wand tool. It traces color and shade automatically. Contiguous is a significant characteristic of this tool. By checking on contiguous, click on the specific color of a picture. Here it selected the green color that parts are linked together. Now I will uncheck the contiguous and click again on the green color. It selects that specific color all over the pictures as per color shade. Now I check on contiguous again. Here are also two options. Add to selection and subtract from selection. That will also work with the Shift and the Alt button respectively. Thanks for watching. To get more tutorials, subscribe to my channel.